This is box 2 of 9, I think. Fun boxes from Thredup. On my last box, we learned that I ordered these on February 8th, 2023, and today is December 21st, 2023. I have a little bit of ulterior motives to opening these, and that is because Christmas is around the corner. You never know what kind of gifts I'm going to find in these. Double checking, fun box, 10 items. It was $34, February 8th, 2023. I don't know if that's gone up. I haven't even looked. I have been reselling, just not putting any effort into it. Not that I'm not, I just haven't been able to get back into it yet. This is a smaller box. See? It's a small box. Preview. Guessing pink is the theme. Kind of excited about this. I could use some new socks. We got some Ultra. I was going to say Ultra. That's not Ultra. It's Under Armour. Under Armour Breathe Light, Lightweight, Ultra Low, No Slip, Heel socks. Times 6. Size 6 to 10. And I love this color. These are mine. Next we have a face mask. It is Tory Burch. Honestly, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Is anyone even buying face masks anymore? Will they buy it because it's Tory Burch? I don't know. Anyway, next we have Daisy Fuentes. And this just brings back bedazzled days. You know, where you bedazzled everything. I feel like this is too much. This is a little too active for me. It's too much, it's too much. Little pouch, spot clean only. 100% cotton lining. Polyester shell with all the little beads and flowers and stuff. No idea what this is worth. This is probably going to be a gift of some sort. Here is a Vera Bradley luggage tag. Retails for $12. It's a lot for a luggage tag. We have a wallet. My daughter needs a wallet. It is. Pretty sure that's Nanette Lepore. Nanette Lepore. Ooh, this is horrible. I might have to not do this here. It does zip up, so maybe I'll give it to her. Maybe it's too big, though. I don't know. I don't like that it doesn't have... Well, I mean, I guess it doesn't matter for her. I don't know. Next we have Juicy Couture. It is, it looks like a bracelet. Retails for $68. And it's a little, it's got this little charm on it. Oh my gosh, why is it so blurry? It's got little rhinestone crystal thingies on it. It says Juicy Couture right here. It says Juicy Couture right here. And how does it? Wait, oh. So, oh, I guess you take the charm off. You put it on whatever that is. Is this a dog collar? No. Bet my mom would love this for one of her dogs. It's too big though. She's got Yorkies. But she would put something like this on them. It doesn't say what it is. I feel like this is a dog collar. There's a sticker right here. Hold on, let me see if I can take it off. Do they make dog collars? I'm sure they do. Oh, I don't. Did I pull some of the wording off? Children 12 and under. Not intended for children 12 and under. Okay. Is this a neck? It can't be a necklace. I mean, I guess it could be a choker. Did I just call myself a dog? I'm gonna have to look that up. But anyway, you would have to have a huge wrist. So this has to be some type of collar or hanging thing. I don't know. Well, that's interesting. Moving on. Next we got Lily Pulitzer. The Come Out of Your Shell water bottle. With the Come Out of Your Shell things. I've never used one of these. I don't know. Anyway, water bottle. Ooh, a bra. This is a big bra. Torrid Curve. Nice. 42D. It's a 42D Torrid Curve. I love the color purple. Sexy, full coverage. It is wired. Keep like popping out of screen. It's been so long, guys. Let's see. It retails for $48.90. All right. I'll sell anything Torrid because people love their Torrid, and this is a fantastic size. To sell. Ooh, earmuffs. Earmuffs. This is mix number 6. They are very fuzzy and dirty. Retails for $14.99. I'm not going to be putting these on. You get the picture. I don't know. I might donate these. We don't have fleece in our house because we have a dog. And our fleece turns into lady. Ooh, what is these? This is an international concept, size small, intimates, short robe, size small, deep black, retails for $50, which is absolutely insane. It's got the pretty little lace. Size small, my shoulders will never fit in that. Alright. Is that it? Oh no, we do have one more. We got some sunglasses. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? And earrings. Okay, so there's 2 things in here. We got some Chico's, like, what's that word? Iridescent? Sure. Hypoallergenic. Retails for $20. I feel there's other holes here, so there's 2 missing, but at least there's 2 of the same. And then we got some sunglasses here, which I do not recognize that logo. It's got like a little rose on it, and it's pretty, like, see, this one's all nice and clean and clear for the most part, and then this one's all not great. So this doesn't feel big quality. It's also gold. Gold is not my color. All right. Let's count. 1.
Does this bag count as 1? I don't know. We'll count them separately and go from there. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. Alright.
It's more than the 10. And hey, I'm excited. New socks. I absolutely hate spending money. So having to like actually go out and buy socks really drives me crazy. So when I've already spent the money on this box and socks happen to come in it, makes me a happy camper. Alright, that was box 2 out of 9. Toodles.